Hi, this is the C-Touch control for the retarder prover, Pavailler retarder prover. At the moment it is off. Press the button once and it's in a standby mode. It shows the date and the time. At the moment the time is incorrect, so we want to change that. It's important to have the date and time correct before we do anything else. We press the humidity button and the hand button simultaneously for 5 seconds. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, now 20. The day is Monday. If we wanted to change it to Tuesday or Wednesday, say Wednesday, that'd be day 3. We'll go back to day 1, which is today, which is Monday. Press OK. It's now 2:30. It's on 2 o'clock, so that's fine. We want 30, so we'll go back to 30. It's 2:32. Press OK and it's fine. Alright, so we're back to where we want to be. If we press start, it'll go back to the standby mode. Alright, we'll show you how to program. We press program, and there is a program. 7 degrees. Now it's due to start day 1 at 9 o'clock. Alright, we want to change that. We want it to start tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So we go into that program, we press 1. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and we'll go over to Tuesday. We press OK. Now we can change the hour. Let's start at, say, 7 o'clock. We want to come into bake, we want the ovens on ready to go, and we want the proving. So it's 7 o'clock, we press OK. We're happy with 7 o'clock for the minutes, so we press OK. Now the first retarding time is 7 degrees. Let's put that at, say, 3 degrees. Probably better to have it a bit cooler. Depending on the product, it can be anywhere between, say, 2 and 10 degrees. Press OK. Now, this is the proving time. It's 3.5 hours. Now, we might say, look, we don't want to prove that long. Let's prove for 2.5 hours. Right, so we press 2 hours, 30. That's the whole 3 stages, not just per stage. We press OK. 2.5 hours is OK. We press that. The first stage is 20 degrees. Alright, we'll say we're happy with that, so we press OK. 60%. Let's make that 70%. Maybe we want a bit more humidity than this. The next stage is 30 degrees. That may be a bit too hot. Let's go down back to, say, 26 degrees. 70%, let's make it 80%. So a bit more humidity and not so much temperature. Press OK. Third stage, 30 degrees. We'll say, yeah, that's fine. And 90% humidity. That's OK. Alright. So we've gone through, and then it's a holding temperature of 15 degrees. Maybe that's too high. So we'll make that 10 degrees. That's really, say you don't arrive at 7 o'clock, say you arrive at 7:15, it'll reduce down to 10 degrees to just hold the product so it doesn't overproof. Press OK, 80% humidity is fine, and we press OK. So it's locked in now. If we want it to reduce to 3 degrees, be ready tomorrow, we just press start. Now, we press off, and we're back to where we started from. If we want to program another program, we go into, so the program's in there, we'll go to program 2. Program 2 is a longer prove cycle. Maybe we want Wednesday, we want to program it to come on a different cycle. So we'll program program 2, we'll press OK. Now we've got the date. So we're programming for Wednesday now at 6 o'clock. We'll press OK. Maybe we want to come in at 5 o'clock. We'll press 5 o'clock, OK. 5 o'clock 0, so we'll press OK. Now we've got the holding temperature, 1 degree, maybe a bit cold. Never put it on 0 or below. If it goes below that, it might be inclined to freeze up the unit. So always 1 degree or above. Right. Press 3. And now we've got 8 hours proving. This is a longer cycle. It's designed to be a slower proof and take 8 hours. We press 8 hours, fine with that. The first proving, so now we've got 8 degrees. So it starts at a lower temperature, but it'll go for a while. All right, press OK. Okay, 70% is too quick for it. Then 12 degrees, fine with that. Maybe 80 degrees, we get 80%. Press OK. And then 16 degrees. So it's being an 8-hour proof, but at lower temperatures. Press that, 75%, and then 4 degrees is a holding temperature. Press OK, and now we've done that. So now to be ready for Wednesday, 5 o'clock, 70%. We press start, enter. Right, so we've done that. Press thank you. Press stop from it.